everyone, today I'm gonna tell you about the food that can prevent coronavirus. As you know that coronavirus or COVID-19 is still continue spread around over the world. So food is very important to against this coronavirus and also make you healthy than ever. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is one of the extremely dangerous illness. For children and elder people, the chance of getting sick is higher than adults. Duration of spreading is about 14 days or less. COVID-19 can spread into our body and kill us. To prevent this virus and get healthy than usual, you have to start with your diet. So, you should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed food every day to get the vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, protein, and antioxidants your body needs. Drink enough water, avoid sugar, fat, salt to significantly lower your risk of overweight, obesity, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Tip 1. Eat fresh and unprocessed food every day. Eat fruit, vegetable, nuts, and whole grain. For example, unprocessed maize, millet, oat, wheat, brown rice, or starchy tuber or roots such as potato, yam, taro, or cassava. And food from animal sources, for example, like meat, fish, eggs, and milk. This food contains a lot of nutrition than another food. The benefits of nutrition are reduce the risk of some disease, including heart disease, diabetes, stroke, some cancer, and osteoporosis. In addition, the nutrition will help you to improve your ability to fight off illness, improve your ability to recover from illness or injury, increase your energy level. The variety of food with nutrition also help you to improve your health and feel fresh. You can choose varieties of this food without add salt and sugar while cooking. Tip 2. Eat moderate amounts of fat and oil. The food that can moderate amount of fat and oil are found in fish, avocado, nut olive oil, soy, canola, sunflower, and corn oil. And the food that you cannot eat are the fatty meat, butter, coconut oil, cream, cheese, and lard. This food can protect and help you with COVID-19. To replace and solve this problem, you can also choose white meat and fish, which are generally low in fat, rather than red meat. Choose the low-fat version of milk and dairy products and avoid the processed food such as fast food, fried food, frozen pizza, pies, cookies, and margarine. Tip 3. Eat less sugar and salt. Try to limit sugar and salt at least less than 90% as usual. Intake approximately 5 grams for daily food consumption. Despite sodium also found in soy sauce and fish sauce, instead of choosing food with high sugar like cookies, cake, and chocolate, eating fruit is more valuable. Limit your intake of fruit juice, syrups, flavored milk, and yogurt drink. Tip 4. Drinking warm water. The research shows that drinking warm water can prevent the cold illness and improve circulation. Researchers found that drinking the hot water quickly helps the subject put less work into maintaining their body temperature. That could be handy. The study notes for people working or exercising in cold conditions. In addition, healthy blood flow affects everything from your blood pressure to your risk of cardiovascular disease. Taking a warm bath helps your circulatory organs, your arteries and veins, expand and carry blood more effectively throughout your body. Drinking hot water may have a similar effect. However, there's a little research that this is effective. As the bonus, warmth from drinking hot water or bathing at nighttime may help you relax and help you to prepare for restful sleep. Tip 5. Turmeric and garlic. The bright yellow spiced turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which boosts the immune function. Garlic has powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral property, which enhance body immunity. For turmeric, you can make it as a drink, slice into small pieces and put it into a glass of hot water. Wait until the flavor of turmeric is about 15 minutes. The daily intake is about 2 glasses per day. There are many cooking styles which can be made by garlic, such as green garlic soup, garlic bread, etc. The daily intake of turmeric and garlic can make protective barrier from coronavirus. So, the coronavirus or Covid-19 still continues to spread over the world and approximately 3,000 people die per day over the world. You must prevent this virus for your health, your life, and your family as well. I hope you enjoy with this video and please subscribe for more videos. Goodbye and good luck for everyone.